Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of smiles. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone watching us today.
Paul, today's topic is something I absolutely love. Hobbies.
Oh, yes. Hobbies. The things we do when we are not working, studying, or sleeping.
Exactly. They make life more interesting, don't they?
Totally. Without hobbies, life would be like a sandwich with no filling.
That's such a funny way to say it. But yes, I agree. So tell me, Paul, what's your favourite hobby?
I have a few, but I think my favorite one is photography.
Photography. That's cool. What do you like to take pictures of?
Mostly nature, sunsets, birds, trees, rivers. I like quiet places with beautiful views.
That sounds relaxing. Do you have a good camera?
Oh, yes, a professional one. But honestly, even my phone camera does a great job these days.
True. These days, everyone's a photographer with a phone.
That's right. But still, I enjoy setting up the camera, adjusting the light, and waiting for the perfect moment.
Do you ever take pictures of people?
Only when they are not looking. That's when you get real emotions.
Paul, that sounds suspicious.
No, not like that. I mean candid photos, natural moments.
Oh, okay. I was about to call the photo police.
I'm innocent, I promise. What about you, Emily? What are your hobbies?
I have several too. I love reading, painting, and cooking.
That's quite a list. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly novels. Mystery, romance, sometimes science fiction. Reading helps me relax after a long day.
I know what you mean. A good book feels like a vacation for your mind.
Exactly. And painting? That's my way of expressing emotions.
Oh, what do you like to paint?
I paint landscapes, flowers, sometimes abstract art. Just colours and shapes that feel right.
Wow, that's amazing. You're an artist.
Not really, but thank you. What about you? Do you paint?
If you call stick figures art, then yes.
Oh, I'd love to see that exhibition. Stickman by Paul.
Coming soon to a museum near you.
I'll buy the first ticket.
You know, I think hobbies are important because they show who we really are.
That's true. They make us unique. Some people love music, some love gardening, some love collecting things.
Speaking of collecting, do you collect anything?
I used to collect postcards when I was younger. Every time I travelled somewhere, I bought one.
That's lovely. I used to collect coins from different countries.
Really? That's interesting. Do you still have them?
Oh, yes. A small box full of memories.
That's beautiful. Each coin probably has a story behind it.
Exactly. Like my coin from Italy. I got it when I went there for the first time.
Italy! You've been there. That's one of my dream destinations.
Then we'll have to do a travel and hobbies episode soon.
Yes, please. I'll paint the Colosseum and you can take photos of pasta.
Wait, why pasta?
Because I know you'll eat it before taking the picture.
You know me too well.
You always think with your stomach, Paul.
It's one of my strongest hobbies. Eating.
That's not a hobby, that's survival.
Then I'm surviving very well.
Oh, I can see that.
But really, hobbies help us stay happy and creative.
Absolutely. They're not just fun. They're good for our mental health.
Right. When I take photos, I forget all my stress. It's like meditation for me.
That's beautiful. For me, painting does the same. Just me, colors, and calm music.
That's the magic of hobbies. They give peace in a noisy world.
So everyone watching, what about you? What are your hobbies?
Yes. Tell us in the comments. Do you like music, sports, dancing, cooking, or something unique?
Maybe someone out there collects buttons or makes origami animals.
Or maybe someone's hobby is watching Learn English Easy Way.
That's the best hobby of all.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, learning English can also be your new hobby.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.